Are you finding it challenging to start a YouTube channel without stepping in front of the camera? You're not alone. Many aspiring creators face this hurdle, but there's a solution. Introducing Tube Mastery by Matt Parr, a comprehensive guide designed to help you achieve YouTube success without ever showing your face. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this course offers step-by-step strategies tailored to your needs. Matt Parr, the mastermind behind this program, has successfully run multiple channels, generating seven-figure incomes. With his expertise, you'll gain insights into building and scaling a profitable YouTube business from the ground up. If you're ready to transform your passion into a thriving channel without the spotlight, discover how Tube Mastery can be your ultimate guide to success. Imagine transforming your YouTube dreams into reality, just like many others have done with the Tube Mastery course. Meet Sarah, who started with 0 subscribers and now runs a thriving channel with over 50,000 followers, thanks to Matt Parr's guidance. Then there's Alex, who struggled for years to find his niche. After enrolling in Tube Mastery, he discovered a passion for tech reviews and now enjoys a steady stream of income. These stories are common among our students. With clear strategies and actionable insights, the Tube Mastery course empowers aspiring YouTubers to achieve their goals. John says, "This course helped me, regardless of my experience, to start and grow a successful YouTube business." These testimonials prove the course's effectiveness. Students like you have taken the leap, applied the teachings, and are now reaping the rewards. So, what's holding you back? Join the ranks of successful creators who have turned their channels into profitable ventures. The opportunity is here, waiting for you to seize it. Let these stories inspire you to take action and transform your YouTube journey today. Welcome to the heart of the Tube Mastery course, where we break down the core modules designed to transform your YouTube journey. Imagine having a roadmap that guides you through each step of building a successful channel without ever showing your face. This course offers exactly that, with its 10 meticulously crafted modules. We start with niche selection, a crucial step that helps you identify and target the right audience for your content. Next, we dive into video creation, where you'll learn the art of crafting engaging videos that captivate viewers. Optimization follows, ensuring your content reaches the widest audience possible through strategic techniques. Monetization is another key focus, providing insights into how to turn your channel into a profitable venture. But the learning doesn't stop there. Unique features like our community support offer a network of like-minded creators ready to share insights and support your growth. Additionally, the course is enriched with resources exclusive to our members. From niche lists to script templates, these tools are designed to give you an edge in the competitive world of YouTube. Each module is an opportunity to deepen your understanding and hone your skills, ensuring you're equipped with everything you need to succeed. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale, the Tube Mastery course provides a comprehensive toolkit for YouTube success. Join us and unlock the potential of your channel today. Unlock a world of exclusive bonuses and peace of mind with the Tube Mastery course. As a member, you'll receive invaluable resources like niche lists and script templates designed to jumpstart your YouTube journey. Imagine having a treasure trove of ideas and tools at your fingertips, allowing you to create content that resonates and captivates. But that's not all. You'll gain access to a mastermind group, a vibrant community where you can connect, learn, and grow alongside like-minded creators. This network is your support system, offering insights and encouragement. And for those who may still be on the fence, rest assured with our 100% money-back guarantee. We are so confident in the transformative power of this course that if you're not completely satisfied within the first 30 days, you'll receive a full refund. No questions asked. Now is the time to seize this opportunity. Join the Tube Mastery course today and embark on a risk-free journey towards YouTube success. With these bonuses and guarantees, you're not just investing in a course, you're investing in your future. You've heard the success stories, explored the comprehensive modules, and discovered the exclusive bonuses. Now, it's your turn to embark on this transformative journey. Imagine starting your very own profitable YouTube channel, all without ever having to show your face. With the Tube Mastery course, this dream can become your reality. And for a limited time, you can join at a reduced price of just $997, down from $1,500. This is your moment to seize the opportunity to learn from Matt Parr, a proven expert in the field. With his guidance, you'll master the art of YouTube success, from niche selection to monetization. Plus, with our 100% money-back guarantee, there's absolutely no risk. So why wait? Take the leap today and begin your path to success. Click the link below to join Tube Mastery and start building the YouTube channel you've always envisioned. Don't miss out on this chance to change your future. Join us now and unlock your potential.